Hello everyone, in today's video we're gonna look at the Ferrari 458 Speciale from Bburago at the 1/18 scale. At the first look, it's a sturdy model. It's made out of metal. Sadly no side windows, which is a bummer. We have the rims that are very nicely done. Full working suspension. Also the direction works. I like the center cap, also the Ferrari logo on the calipers. Not the best fitting for the headlight in my opinion. Also no perforated grills. Have there the Ferrari logo. Also the Ferrari shield on the front wing. No perforated grills around here. Also in the back, there are no perforated grills and no carbon fiber pattern, no good carbon fiber pattern, let's say that. Also the tips from the exhaust don't look very nice. Sadly, after Hot Wheels they lost their license with Ferrari. I don't think Bburago did a very good job making these models. Let's take a look inside. A lot of plastic and not very good details for this model, in my opinion. Also the seatbelts are plastic. Other side. In the front we have this enormous dog leg hinges that look horrible. Also in the trunk you'll see these two look like handbags, but they are cheap plastic. No carpet whatsoever in this model. Let's take a look inside the engine compartment. At least in the engine compartment there's a lot of carbon fiber pattern that looks nice. We have the Ferrari logo there, the intakes, but I think Hot Wheels would have done a better job. Also these grills are not perforated as well. Tell me in the comments what you think about this model, and would you buy one? Thank you very much. Please like and subscribe.